kids, happy morning. How are you all? Hope all are fine. So today we are going to learn paper craft. Okay, we are going to make a frame made out of paper. See, this frame we are going to make it with the help of a paper. So let's start. I'm going to tell you what are things you need to make that frame. Kids, you need papers, either white papers or color papers. If you don't have these two at home, you can even use the newspaper, which is readily available in everybody's house. Okay, then you need stickers. If you don't have stickers also, no problem. But if you have stickers, you can decorate your frame. Fairy stick or gum or Fevicol, anything which is available in your home. Crayons, sketch pens. Okay, now let us start. Here I am using a white paper. Okay kids, this paper should be in a perfect square shape like this. I am using a bigger size paper. Size, it is on your wish. If you want a small size frame, you can use a small square. If you want big size frame, you can use a big size square shape paper. Now here I am using this shape of paper and this size. Now it is a square. I'll show you how to fold it. Now this, you put it like this flat. Now fold the two corners. Okay, this side and press it hard. Again, open it. This side and equally press it hard like this. Now you got the 4 lines like this. Now this is a square. Make it into a diamond and fold the two opposite sides like this. Okay, fold the two sides like this. Now your paper will look something like this. After folding this side, turn the sheet like this, and these two sides you have to again fold it together. 1 and 2. Okay, after folding, your paper will look something like this. These two sides and these two sides. Now this is a perfect square. Now this square you have to make it into a diamond. After making into a diamond like this, now you have to join both the ends and press in the middle here. Now it will look like a triangle. After pressing hard, open this. Now you will get a line in the middle. Now here this point, you have to fold it like this in the middle and press it hard here. Open this and this line should match this line here. Then press it hard here, and from this line you have to turn back that pointed. Okay, see again I'll tell. Fold it into half, open it, then this half, make a line here, and this line should match the center point, and again this triangle back. The same procedure will follow on the other side. Just fold it like this, press it hard, open it, and this line should match the center line like this. Okay, and after that, back. Now this is the perfect shape like this we have to get it. Spread this very hard kids, and like this. Now after this, we have to take the gum, Fevistick, gum, glue, whatever you have, you can use it. Now here, open this part and just stick it this way. And here, just stick like this. And repeat it on the other side as well. Stick like this and this like this. Perfect. See, now press it very hard and it will become something like this. Okay kids, after this you have to take this sketch pen. You can take any color sketch pen you like. Here I am taking a black sketch pen. Now with the black sketch pen, you have to draw outline for this. Here, perfect, right? And these 3 corners also. Here, like this. Like this. All the 4 sides you have to draw the outline. Now these 2 sides you have to leave it. Now after this you have to take the crayons. You can use any color you want kids. Here I am using purple color. Okay. this color you can fill here now. Start filling here. And this side. Nicely you have to color like this. Okay. Now this is filled here. Now you take another color. I am using red color. This red color, here you have to, these four sides you have to fill it up. Okay. This four sides. Like this. Like this. You have to make it. Now this is ready. Like this you have to make same. I have made it already, and see, I have made it already like this. 4 I have made it and I have colored it. Now these 4 you have to stick it. How to stick it I'll tell you. Now take one, and here this part you have to put the glue, and take this and just stick it here, right here. Okay, and one more you have to take and put the glue here and stick it like this. The same, but for the last you have to put the glue on the both the sides, this side and this side. After that, this I didn't color, you can color and stick it like this here. Now your frame is ready. Okay, your frame is ready like this. After this you need a back support. For that you can use any color paper. Here I am using green color paper. Okay, take a small piece of green paper, then stick it like this, 4 sides. Okay, when you stick the 4 sides, your frame will look like this, something like this. Okay, now we got the background. Now this frame, shall we decorate, kids? Here either these points you can draw, or you can stick the stickers. Here I am sticking, because I have some of the stickers, I am sticking some of the stickers here. Various stickers I am using it. First let us put the star stickers on this. You can use anything, kids. If you don't have stickers, don't worry, you can draw. Now these corner also you can stick any stickers like this, or if you don't have stickers, you take and even you can draw a small flower and you can color this flower. Okay, now your frame is ready. This frame is ready. Now in this frame you can take a photo either of yours or your parents or anything. I have made a small frame. Now take the Fevistick, apply the Fevistick on the photo and stick it in the middle. So see, kids, your photo frame is ready. You can stick this on your study table. You can gift it to your parents on their birthdays or wedding anniversary. You can gift it to your brother or sister. So enjoy doing it. See you soon. Bye bye.